Today I want to talk about something that can give us a positive and motivated start to our day, and that is morning inspiration in Islam. Importance of starting the day right. Starting the day with a positive mindset and purpose can set the tone for the rest of the day and help us tackle whatever challenges we may face. In Islam, the morning time is considered a special time to connect with Allah and seek His guidance. Quran. One way to start the day inspired is by reading verses from the Quran. The Quran is the holy book of Islam and contains verses that provide guidance, comfort, and inspiration. For example, Surah Al-Asr is a short chapter that reminds us of the importance of time and how we should use it wisely. It is a reminder to stay focused on our goals and live a meaningful life. Prayer. Another way to start your day inspired is by performing the morning prayer, or Salat al-Fajr. This prayer is an opportunity for us to connect with Allah and seek His guidance for the day ahead. It's a time for reflection and for asking Allah for His blessings and protection. By starting your day with this prayer, you'll feel more centered and focused, ready to tackle whatever challenges the day may bring. Gratitude. In Islam, gratitude is an important aspect of daily life. We are encouraged to reflect on the blessings that Allah has given us and to express gratitude for them. So, take a moment each morning to reflect on the things in your life that you're thankful for and express your gratitude to Allah. By starting your day with a grateful heart, you'll have a more positive outlook and be better equipped to face whatever challenges come your way. In conclusion, starting your day with inspiration in Islam is a simple but powerful way to set the tone for the rest of the day. By reading the Quran, performing the morning prayer, and expressing gratitude, you'll start your day feeling positive, motivated, and connected to Allah. So let's make the most of this morning and start it off with inspiration and positivity. May Allah guide us and bless us all.